Welcome to Sketch the Premium Portfolio and Video for Social series, where we scale your art biz with Adobe Express and Adobe Firefly. I am DTM, and in episode 1, we went over the foundations for portfolio and video promotion. In episode 2, today we will go over branding and physical merch prep. So let's get started. Stop stretching or distorting your illustrations just to make them fit into a standard merchandise frame or print layout. Try this instead. So let's start by creating a brand name, in my case, Azteca Moderno, and I'm gonna go into Generative AI, click on the tab that says Text Effects. Oh yes, now it's getting funky. I want the text to look like mythological figures from an ancient script. Let's see. All right, that's what we're going for. Stone textures with mossy effects. All right, let's see what that works. And we're going to change this word to Azteca Moderno. There we go, Azteca Moderno. Yes, it's kind of big. It's kind of big. So let's go in here. I found this template. Okay, we got this. Let me see. I want medium, tight, medium. That's good. Style, customize your text. There we go. Generate. Let's go. Okay. I see the moss. It is mossy. Let's make it more. Let's just do the stone texture. Let's try it again. And I just clicked enter, and let's jump in again. Oh my gosh. Not only that, I can split it up. And it's still text. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Center. And line spacing. What if I were to do capitals? And you can see the AI, aka Firefly, working in the background because that little circle, and it's adding the effects to the rest of the letters. Yes. Okay. One more time. Moderno. Ooh. And let's just go right here. What if? Yes. And what's that say? Salsa hoodie. Okay. No, it's not. Well, that's cool. It's a cool name. So let's go here. Salsa hoodie. No, this is it. We're gonna get rid of this stuff here. Let's just put that there. Yes. Adjust. Maybe it's not so big. Bam. What? And then this. I'm gonna turn down the opacity. This is kind of really low. This is gonna say Ojin, remember? Ojin hoodie. And the color is gonna be green. Those are the colors of the, Mexican colors. 100% warm, best quality, Azteca Moderno. And that means the background, I kinda want a brownish. There you go. Let's fix that. It's too dark. There you go. Yes. Looking good. I like it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and save this as a brand so I can use it all the time. We're gonna go over to our brands tab. Let's click on create a brand, manual selection. We're gonna call this Azteca Moderno, yes. Save it. There it is. Add your brand logos, graphics, colors, and fonts. I'm going to start with the color palette, Azteca Moderno palette, and we're going to add this color right there. Boom. Starting with that background. Save it. Let's add, of course, the red. Okay, because we're, oops, okay, I forgot to click on save. And the green. Got it. And let's get the dark color from the actual text, the Azteca Moderno text. Just there you go. That's a good spot. Nice dark brown color. And let's click on add. So now let's add our logo. Upload. Got my Ojin in the house. Boom. And it's asking about creating a palette. So let's go with palette Ojin. Create palette. Oh, this is good. Let's take a look at the overview. Nice. Nice. I like this. I kind of like what Express did with the colors better than what I did. That's all right. So we can save this now in Express. It becomes one of our brands. If you look through your brands, let's take a look. There it is. Azteca Moderno is saved. You can always access those graphics anytime you need to work on an element for your brand. Boom. I love it. Step number 3. Let's fix this graphic on this shirt. Oh my gosh, it's so not right. Not right. So here we go. Let's take off the effects here. Got it. And it looks like it's off center. All right, let's take it. Now that we have our graphic ready to go, let's remove background. Let's see how much of these edges we can grab. Oh, that is good. That is good. Okay, we're going to zoom in. And I'm still a few more things that I want to erase. So let's click on the erase button. There's our button. And look, click, gone, click, gone, click. Just like that, some of these elements are gone. All right, go around the whole drawing and let's knock this out. Oh my gosh, yes, done. Oh yes, yes. Okay, now we can resize it down. Put that on the hoodie right there. Now, the same process that we just used for this hoodie, you can do it with any of the merch that you wish to produce for your brand. Now you have print-ready merch that maintains your exact art style. So click the link in my bio to set up your free branding kit, because in episode 3, we'll be launching your shop. All right, so who's ready?